made it to woo, the Michelin Man! Yeah! Let's do it, Rohan. This is the daddy. This is the daddy. Check out that carbon hub. I mean the carbon.
At least 4,000.
I know, for one set. You're not gonna believe it, Rohan, but like I'm between this car and a Prius.
The new Priuses look really good.
The new Prius, bro, lowered on some BBS LMs.
Oh, man.
It's like insane, dude. Yeah. It is absolutely insane. And then we have this that is priced the same. Hey. Another 911 ST. I know, right? One that made it out of turn one. I wonder what they're doing in there, but I'm not waiting in line. Oh, sorry. Now they have a folding carbon bucket.
But it's a 911T, which is a bare bones 911.
Oh, it's probably entering to win that thing. I'm gonna make the executive decision that we can skip this, and we can skip that. Oh, BMW M, and we got Gazoo Racing. We could check out the GR Corolla, a $50,000 Corolla, right?
That's if you don't get it marked up.
Yeah, it don't get marked up. And then I heard the diff overheats. They put the exhaust pipe right next to it. Oh, dude, they got an M2 with the whole package. Let's check this out. Can you believe that this weighs the same as the Blackwing? Yeah, 4,100 pounds. I mean, it looks cool. And the color is called Zandvoort Blue. I dig it. Oh, they got an R bike with a, oh no, it's an F900. F900. Here we go. With the Aero exhaust. Where the hell did all these people come from, right?
No idea.
Oh, look.
Oh, there goes the boat.
Yeah, here comes the Titanic. Look at this thing. Oh. I'm sorry, Rohan. But if you really have a lot of money you want to waste, this is it. And they got Hankooks on it.
Oh, what in the world?
Damn. Well, we shall carry on. Oh, the V series are up there. Oh, no way.
This should be in the race right now.
This should be in the race right now. The hypercar. Now I know how Alonso fits in there. I mean, the guy was tiny. Well, we got the blue Supra right next to us. It looks like it's a manual. What are your thoughts on the Supra?
I like it.
I like it too. Oh, my favorite SUV, the GX 550. But this is the big LX. Here we go. Fury. I mean, it's got a badass engine in it. It's got a 5-liter, I think Yamaha tuned the intake plenum or something on it. And then this is the one I love.
I really like these.
Me too. I freaking love these. And it comes with the Tundra's 3.6 by turbo or 3.0 by turbo, whatever the hell it has. That's exactly like this is like my oh. Sorry, sir. We're going over here. We're going over here. Who on earth would get the convertible model? Right? Who the hell would get the convertible? This is their new this color is called Habanero.
It actually looks good.
Like, you can't see the flippin' engine, but you can see the carbon in the pretty wheels. And the S-duct. Like, they could have, in all honesty, like they could have cleaned up the build quality on the S-duct because the grommets on the back, for real, It reminds me of the C7 Z06's wheel arches. They had like this rubber coating on the side of them. You remember?
Yeah.
Wild, 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 wild. I think we should go to the promised land.
Oh yeah, I see it.
I think we're approaching the promised land here.
Yeah.
I like your sweatshirt. Food Truck Kingdom over here. Holy shit, look at the lines over here, man. That combo of cheeseburger and fish. Oh, I think I see my girlfriend. Let's do it. That's what I said. Oh, it's there. Make a beeline for it. So they have this, and then they have like a Phoenix yellow metallic that the old E46 had. It's like a bright yellow, and this color's cool, but the bright yellow is actually cooler. Oh yeah. Go for it, man. Pardon me. See, but this has the full carbon pack and everything. This is like 10 grand worth of carbon fiber. Oh, sorry. All right. My dreams are over. Oh, Mazda. Let's see what's over there. Oh, and then the Escalade V. Grrr. See, this is the color I was telling you about. Wow. Isn't that crazy? Do you think it's too much? Sorry. Oh, you're good, man. I used to sell Cadillacs, and the last Cadillac I sold was an ATS-V. You want to hop in? Hop in.
The color car reminds me of that yellow that used to come on the F-82s.
Yep. That one was Austin yellow.
Yeah.
Look at the canard, the dive plane on the front. Yikes. Oh, I'm sorry. You're good. I think it's pretty sweet. All right, so tomorrow I'm gonna bring some. I'm not parking at the $40 section tomorrow, and I'm gonna buy a. Oh, dude. How much is this? $50. $50 for a t-shirt. Oh, dude, they got a Miata lineup. I know, right? That's all they got. Dude, right? Sick. I know, this is pristine. And color corrected?
That's what Drovak's son had, was that car. Oh, yeah.
It even has a power dome. I know, right? Brilliant, beautiful, excellent. You know what? I've decided no Prius, Miata. Miata. I'm gonna actually take a picture of this with my telephone. Uh-oh. This is like a special edition they came out with. These are actual Volk wheels. Yeah.
Like 3 piston Brembos.
Yep. I think they're 2-pot and then one in the back. Pardon me, miss. How much is the poster? Oh, they're free. Oh, thank you. Yay! All right.
Yeah, well, I know it's annoying. Well, this is true.
Rohan, they're giving away posters. I got a Miata poster.
There's no wreck ones on there, is it?
The what? The what?
There's no wreck cars on there.
No, there's no wreck cars. It's just before they wrecked into turn 1. Oh.
Jetzt auf jeden Fall.
Oh, you got to sign up?